Hi everyone, so welcome to my video. I am Marlon P. Villarin from BSIT 21A. So today I will be presenting and discussing to you what is binary search theory. And yeah, let's get started. First, open your So before that, I will just summarize you what is binary search tree. Binary search tree is just like a tree, no? So binary search tree is a data structure where the root have two children, which is the left children and the right children. The left children, which is Monishang, the smallest, and the right children, which is the largest. But how does it work by binary search tree? So just like in order traversal, no? So it started by the left side, which is the 20. From the 20 going to parent, from parent going down to right children, from the right children going up to parent, and going back to the left, kaya mo man siya ang pinaka-smallest, and go back to parents, then down to right. Same as in order traversal, but lahi siya ang way. So saan na to pag bumaagi encoding? So go back to kuan ka ng NetBeans. First, create a node class. So class node for your value, which is the data. So sa binary, which is mag-start siya for the left and go to the right. So make a public class, make a public node, which is the inside of public, which is the int and for your data. And this data is equals to para ma-put ang value inside the node. So next, para maka-insert ta sa atoang tree, binary search tree. So static node insert node root, then the next is if the root is equals to null, well, the tree is empty. So mo return siya sa iyahang node. Next, if ang root is data equals to data, if ang number nga naa dito, if ang number it's the same, wala ra siya buhaton. So mobalik ra mo next siya. So return sa iyahang, balik siya sa iyahang. So next is if ang data is less than for root that data, well, ang root kay mo adto siya sa left. Insert root at left. If smaller siya, mo-go siya, mo-add siya sa, if less than, pero basta, if mo less, mas smaller gani siya, mo-add siya sa left side sa root. Else nasad, if root siya, if ang siya is bigger, madto siya. If ang node it's bigger, madto siya into right. So next, return. So next, para sa imuhang in order traversal, you just simply put static void in order para magkasunod-sunod siya from left going to the root, then right, then left, right. Sorry, can slowly get on without right. If ang root not is equals to null, is not equals to null, well, visit siya into the root that yang i-print ang inside ato for the after niya mo visit sa left, na-print niya, mo go back siya, mo ato siya into right. So next, for your main is just put public static void main string args. So ang node root is equals to null, mag-start siya sa empty 2. So mag-start siya sa empty 2. So if root is equals to, insert niya ang 50, which is mo na tong first root 50, mo ni siya ang iyahang parent. Next is the 30, 30, then the 20, then the 40, then the 70, 80, and ihang i-print ang in order. So that's it. So hopefully nga inigra na to niya, kailangan mo gawas una si 20, next si 30, sunod si 40 and 50, going back to right, I mean left, then for the root, then right. Ano lang siya. That's it. 20, 30, 40, and 50. Just like, in order traversal na lang siya, no? Kani magod siya ang binary search tree. It's helpful ni siya to identify and to search, diba? To search, easily to print, no? And that's it. Thank you guys, and like my video. Thank you.